Well, every parent knows the routine this time of year. Kids heading back to school and the stomach bugs that start making the rounds.
But with cyclospora cases continuing to rise in Arkansas, health experts say it's important to know when your child's simple stomach ache could be something more serious. THV 11's Lauren Harper joins us live with what parents should watch for, especially as students return to those classrooms. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning, Karen and Hayden. Yeah, I'm excited to be here. I'm excited for back to school, but I'm not excited for that parasite. And those germs are already starting to circulate. Now, doctors say timing is the biggest clue between telling the difference between a common stomach bug and cyclosporiasis. Now, I did talk to pediatrician Dr. Josh Leon at the All for Kids Pediatric Clinic in Little Rock, who said cyclosporiasis usually takes a couple of weeks to kick in, whereas a stomach bug brings rapid symptoms like sudden vomiting. Cyclosporiasis, however, is most commonly linked to contaminated produce rather than a person-to-person spread, and symptoms can linger for weeks if left untreated.
Most of your stomach bugs, 1 to 3 days, and you're going to see lots of other people around you that have it, because it's so contagious. Cyclospora in particular, because we're really watching that produce piece of it very closely, is it going to tend to be as contagious person to person? So you may see it within a household, but not necessarily a classroom.
Doctors say, regardless of what your child may have contracted, if your kid's symptoms last more than a few days, it's important to get in contact with your health provider. They also said to remember to wash your hands, wash your produce, especially those leafier greens. Live in Little Rock, Lauren Harper, THV 11 News.
We are doing our due diligence at our house. All right, Lauren, thank you very much. And of course, welcome to Little Rock. Look forward to seeing you much more here on THV 11 Morning News. Also, Tracy.
Yeah.
But she's from Texas, though.
Look at us all together.
I can tell.
Now,
she's used to the
listen,
heat.
I lived in Tarrant County, which I know she's familiar with. I lived in Dallas for about 12 years. My husband's from that area. I lived in Terrell, Texas, Lauren. So we can talk about Terrell and Rockwall and all of those areas. That was my stomping grounds back when we had the kids were babies. They're adults now. So we got lots of memories to talk about. So we got a little something in common.
Tracy, you like the name Lauren too, don't you?
I do. I have a Lauren. My number 3 kid is Lauren. So TV Lauren, we'll call you TV Lauren. We'll find out that I have like 12 kids. Not really, but I have a lot of kids.
I like it.
Can't wait to get to know you better. We're excited to have you with us.
Thank you so much.